what do you enjoy doing?
Sir, you said,
Oh wow.
That is 4.
no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Not the number.
6 is a...
Six, right? You are 6, so we need to be together.
You have 6.
4.
Sarvotram Purandre,
His wife's name is?
Jaya Purandre.
They have 2 children. So please, the full sentence.
Okay.
They have 2 children. Their names are?
Lady Finger, Joel.
Okay. Now,
Chris Chocolate.
right? Yes, we do know that it's all about team building today. And in that, what are your expectations out of today? We have 10 minutes, all right? So yeah, as a team, as a table,
I think identifying the
yes? And when you are clear in your mind, does that automatically mean that you've made a decision? The fact that you're communicating and it is clear is a decision. Am I correct there?
Whether we are doing right or we are on the wrong track.
Absolutely.
And whatever we do, what we expect from it, whether we are on the right or wrong.
Yes.
At the same time, we need to have a vision for forecasting.
Yes.
Okay, this is a scenario related with day-to-day activity, right from the how the market is moving, how the company will grow, and how the individual will grow.
I said do as I say. Do as I say. Small fish.
Small fish.
Small fish.
Small fish.
Do as I say. Are you doing what I'm saying?
He will say, आपने मांगना चाहिए था, तो सबसे बड़ा था उधर में.
Who is in charge of construction and of administration and planning? Good job. Are you including yourself or excluding yourself?
No, excluding.
Whoever.
You can be higher on the top and you can take lower on the
For stock of these two. So it will be S.
Hi, good morning. I'm Vandana Thorat from Eagle Home Appliances Private Limited. I've attended this training program on emotional intelligence on the 10th and 11th of April. It was a wonderful program with the trainer being very skilled, imparting a lot of knowledge to us on teamwork, on how to handle situations and stress management. I learned a lot from this program and would love to attend these kind of programs again with the same trainer, of course. Thank you.
Catherine here. I'm from Eagle Home. This is the first session what I attended in my career. So it was a new thing for me. And definitely if I'm going home today, I'm carrying something positive. The thing is what I'm carrying is what is my strength and what is my weakness and how to improve my weakness. And the most important thing what I have learned in personal debate with Mr. Sanjeev is that give yourself. I'm giving my best to the company till what I given to me, nothing, zero. So this is an eye-opening for me. Today I have taken a decision to change myself. Yes, I am a human being. I give myself to my company because their pain is my pain, their happiness is my happiness. But simultaneously, my life is zero. I have not given anything to myself. So I need to ask myself, at least take 15 minutes and talk to myself with the inner voice. Okay, what I have done all these years, I would like to rectify that mistake and I want to start a new life. And hats off to Mr. Sanjeev that yes, it was a very good seminar and it was benefited to each and every individual person. Thank you so much.
Conference was good. We have attended last 3-4 years like this. So overall seems to be same. Only type of work slightly different. Earlier it was more training type, informative. Here more is a personal type. And the involvement of participant was low. So that instead of explaining in conference in detail, I think that's my suggestion. Otherwise it was very good. And in additional, particularly when we did on the personal interview, I think that was the best I have observed. We have understood all these their reports and it was tallying 80% to my what is I am. Only I have hardly 1 or 2 queries. He explained within a second and I also understood within a second. So I think that was the best part. When I met him, I have taken hardly 5 minutes. But I think that was 5 minutes helped me.
The training program on team building was successful, and we learned a lot on communication, team building, awareness, and activities conducted during the program was very encouraging. We made the tower, we made a housing project, and there was again an activity of communicating on a numeric submissions. They were very encouraging, and we understood the communication gap and how fast the reaction of the people. The people think people have a perceptive approach, and people think that another person understood what he means. But there is a gap of communication which we have learned and will try to improve on this.
As far as training is concerned, we understand the emotional kind of performance which I like very much. As far as there are some conspiracy, but some of the issues which was not clear. The second thing is important that in the first half we lose too much time on other kind of activities. So instead of doing that first timing as far as timing is concerned into reality, so it may be kind of better than the SNL one. Overall, the performance of as a trainer, he was quite nice. He clear on his vision, and we got a lot of information from him. That is add-on information which will be help us to train the leaders, to train the subordinates as far as my employee is concerned. And lastly, I would say it's an amazing kind of training. We love, and we try to catch up in next year also for the same thing. As far as my training is concerned, that's it. Thank you.
So I just told Ki whatever we did yesterday, that was very fantastic, and it was very good for us. Since we are salespeople, so we should know what are the limits and what are the strengths. So after having this session, training session, I am little capable to know about myself, about the limitations. And today morning, I have also told Sanjeev, in future, since I am able to know what is the limit, so in future I will try to remove all these limitations, and I will come up with all my strengths. And next year, even I am also interested, if possible, even I will suggest my bosses also, if possible, Mr. Sanjeev Sadara should come next year also just for this training.
The orientation program with Mr. Sanjeev Sadara, and the subject was for emotional expression and controlling your marketing strategy and the customers to emotional supportiveness. It was very excellent. Lot of new subjects were covered in that. Lot of new areas were knocked, and many areas where we were not very conscious about have helped us in that. And the body language of Mr. Sanjeev Sadhana was excellent. He was communicating very superb. The choice of words was very understanding. So his total presentation and orientation course was excellent. It was nice to be understanding this particular subject through him.
Nice orientation program yesterday at Doinawala Hotel Farias. It was a very good orientation program on the team building, and it really worked very hard for us because we saw some changes, not some changes, drastic changes between yesterday and today. The communication has really, it is a clear communication among us since yesterday and today. The difference I can feel, and Mr. Sanjeev Sadhana was very helpful on this orientation program, and personally he attended us and he has given enough time to sort out our personal problem, which was helpful for the organization. Thank you.
This was good. It's definitely we've come to learn certain new things which we might not be able to implement all, but even if a few one we can implement, that's going to change. I personally like the inner circle and then outer circle, the concern and influence. That was quite interesting. And of course the game which was played with clapping, that was quite an eye-opener that each member of the team is very, very important. I think such training programs we should have a little more frequently. Thanks.